Hi, this is Brant with Neutrik. We're here at InfoComm 2026. We're standing in front of our fiber demonstration racks. These fibers can be used for all sorts of things from video to other types of devices in the medical world. We have brought our rAVe product. We've got our Dragonfly. We've got Opticon Hybrid Med, and we have our Opticon MTP12 fiber products. These demo units can travel with our sales team, so if you're interested in fiber, they can show you how they all work and all the pieces that go into place. It's a quite simple process. We have video data passing through there. We disconnect the fiber, and as you can see, the fiber signal disappears and the video goes blank. Once that's reconnected, the video shows back up, and that shows the data capacity of the cables while they're connected. So let us know. You can reach out to Neutrik.com and request a demo with our regional sales managers. Again, I'm Brant Mathiasen here with Neutrik Americas at InfoComm 2026.